Hey everybody, welcome back. A little something different today. Not a review, this is just a show and tell. This is the Yocan Deluxe Kit. Ooh. So this is, I guess we'll say, an oil and herbal vaporizer. I'm not going to use this on the channel because you can have your channel taken down, and I don't use these. But I did do a show and tell for a previous Yocan device that people apparently is very popular and people love, and people are very happy with the quality. And I gifted what I had to someone who does use it for medical purposes, and they absolutely love it and gave it their highest praise. So they sent this in to take a look at. So we're going to dive down, take a quick look at it, and tell you what it does. And it looks like a cool kit. Alright, so let's just take a look at this Yocan Deluxe Kit. So when you open it up, you do have some information in here telling you all the things that it comes with. You got a concentration box mod kit. It works as a power bank. You have an oil box mod kit and what they're calling a gift box. But let's take a look at it right off here. And if you pull, let's just take the whole thing out because it doesn't want to come out easily. If you pull the actual first device out of here, all right, this is the actual, it's not a screen in there, I'll show you that. This is their concentration box mod kit. And what that's for is, you can take this tank, screw it into the top, your fire button's over here, you have your charging port over here, and you have your indicator lights for power along the bottom. You put that on there, and then this is just magnetic, and that pops off, and you unscrew that. I guess you take that off when you're using it, and if it'll focus, you can see the coil in there. There you go. See the coils in there? So if you're someone that would be interested in this product, you know how to use that. You can throw this back on here when you're not using it. And then all you do is, this is again magnetic, just drop it right back on there. All right. In here is, they call it a gift box. I guess it's a little scoop, and I guess you can put you know what in there. Throw that back in there, and there's your concentrate kit, and you just carry that with you like that. Now, what else you can do is, for oils, is you don't need this. You take this out, and you actually have a whole nother mod here. All right, this is a whole nother mod with it, and in here, already comes with a tank. Focus. And there's the tank it comes with for oils, and you can drop that in, screw that in a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to burn out that coil that's in there, so I'll pop that out. But then you have your device there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn that off. So, and there's a charging just for that. So then right there, this is its own device. Separate from this to use with concentrates, this is a separate oil box mod. But what you can do is take this with you, drop that in there, and there it is. It starts charging. So this can work as an extra power bank for this. So if you take this with you for oils, then you just carry this with you and you have an extra battery. And it shows you there it's charging. So that's pretty cool. So you can use it either way. You can use this as a concentration kit, you can use this as an oil kit, and then you can use this as a battery bank for this, for recharging this. Now, this I know is 1500 milliamp hours. I don't know what the total capacity is for the battery on this, but it says the Deluxe is powered by a long-lasting 1500 milliamp hour battery, utilizes a convenient micro USB charging, and so forth. So look at that, and then it'll just charge in there. So this is a really, really cool little kit. Let me see if I have any other information here that I can give you about it. Basically, you have your atomizer tube, you have a QDC coil in here. All right, and you have your base, you have your power button, the 1500 milliamp hour. Oh, here it is. It's 450 milliamp hours in here. So you got 450 in here, you got 15 in here, which means if this dies, this should be able to charge this 3 more times. All right, so that's pretty good. So there you go. That is the Yocan Deluxe Kit, and really nice little setup that they have here. And like I said again, I'll put a link on the screen. You can check them out online, and there you go. Let's go back up on top. So there's your look at the Yocan Deluxe Kit. Yocan was also nice enough to send in the second one for giveaway. So that's going to go in the giveaway TARDIS, and that'll be given away at the end of this month to some lucky viewer who can use that. All right, and I'll make sure it's somebody that I know can make use out of that, as opposed to just giving somebody having it sit on the shelf. So check them out. Links on the screen. You can go to the Yocan website and check out the deluxe kit, and looks pretty cool though for all the things it comes with. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.